允许，允许，允许。
Allow.
Allow.
他允许别人看他的日记。他允许别人看他的日记。他允许别人看他的日记。
She allowed others to read her diary.
She allowed others to read her diary.
尽管他只喝了一点酒，但还是不允许开车。尽管他只喝了一点酒，但还是不允许开车。尽管他只喝了一点酒，但还是不允许开车。
Even though he had only drunk a few drinks, he was not allowed to drive.
Even though he had only drunk a few drinks, he was not allowed to drive.
只有得到允许，才可以进入密室。只有得到允许，才可以进入密室。只有得到允许，才可以进入密室。
Only with permission can you enter the secret room.
Only with permission can you enter the secret room.
做，做，做。
Measure word used for building, bridge, mountain, etc.
Measure word used for building, bridge, mountain, etc.
那座楼一共有38层。那座楼一共有38层。那座楼一共有38层。
That building has 38 floors in total.
That building has 38 floors in total.
这个城市有很多座桥。这个城市有很多座桥。这个城市有很多座桥。
There are many bridges in this city.
There are many bridges in this city.
我家后面有2座山。我家后面有2座山。我家后面有2座山。
There are 2 mountains behind my house.
There are 2 mountains behind my house.
桥，桥，桥。
Bridge.
Bridge.
为了方便村民过河，这里起了一座桥。为了方便村民过河，这里起了一座桥。为了方便村民过河，这里起了一座桥。
In order to facilitate the villagers to cross the river, a bridge was built here.
In order to facilitate the villagers to cross the river, a bridge was built here.
这座桥有500年的历史了。这座桥有500年的历史了。这座桥有500年的历史了。
This bridge is 500 years old.
This bridge is 500 years old.
有了这座桥，两岸的人们过河方便多了。有了这座桥，两岸的人们过河方便多了。有了这座桥，两岸的人们过河方便多了。
With this bridge, it is much more convenient for people on both sides to cross the river.
With this bridge, it is much more convenient for people on both sides to cross the river.
危险，危险，危险。
Danger.
Danger.
你开车太快了，太危险了。你开车太快了，太危险了。你开车太快了，太危险了。
You are driving too fast. It's too dangerous.
You are driving too fast. It's too dangerous.
开快车不安全，开慢车也危险。开快车不安全，开慢车也危险。开快车不安全，开慢车也危险。
Driving fast is unsafe, and driving slowly is also dangerous.
Driving fast is unsafe, and driving slowly is also dangerous.
关注孩子的安全，让孩子远离危险。关注孩子的安全，让孩子远离危险。关注孩子的安全，让孩子远离危险。
Pay attention to children's safety and keep them away from danger.
Pay attention to children's safety and keep them away from danger.
接着，接着，接着。
Then.
Then.
他把戒指扔出去，接着叫他去捡回来。他把戒指扔出去，接着叫他去捡回来。他把戒指扔出去，接着叫他去捡回来。
She threw the ring away and then asked him to pick it up.
She threw the ring away and then asked him to pick it up.
他停了一下，接着又继续说下去。他停了一下，接着又继续说下去。他停了一下，接着又继续说下去。
He paused, then continued.
He paused, then continued.
我开始听到爆炸声，接着听到有人大喊救命。我开始听到爆炸声，接着听到有人大喊救命。我开始听到爆炸声，接着听到有人大喊救命。
I started hearing explosions and then someone yelling for help.
I started hearing explosions and then someone yelling for help.
警察，警察，警察。
Police.
Police.
他爸爸是一名联合国维和警察。他爸爸是一名联合国维和警察。他爸爸是一名联合国维和警察。
His father is a UN peacekeeping police officer.
His father is a UN peacekeeping police officer.
他从小就想要成为一名警察。他从小就想要成为一名警察。他从小就想要成为一名警察。
He wanted to be a policeman since he was a child.
He wanted to be a policeman since he was a child.
一个优秀的警察必须有责任感。一个优秀的警察必须有责任感。一个优秀的警察必须有责任感。
A good police officer must have a sense of responsibility.
A good police officer must have a sense of responsibility.
谢谢观看。